Today we're going to go over the 2.03 quiz, some hints and some examples to help you be successful on this quiz. So a hint for number one, you need to remember that the hypothesis of a statement is the if part of the statement, whereas the conclusion is the then part. So the hypothesis is the if part, and the conclusion is the then, the part that follows the then of the statement. Numbers 2 and 3. The inverse of a statement adds a not to both the hypothesis and the conclusion of the original statement. So if my original statement was if it's raining, then it's cloudy. The inverse would be if it's not raining, then it's not cloudy. The converse switches the hypothesis and the conclusion. And so if my original statement was if it's raining, then it's cloudy, it would switch and it would say if it's cloudy, then it's raining. The contrapositive does both. It's like combining the inverse and the converse. It switches and adds a not to the hypothesis and the conclusion. So it switches, if it's raining, then it's cloudy. We switch it, and we also add a not. So we say if it's not cloudy, then it's not raining. And that will help you with numbers 2 and 3. For numbers 4 and 5, we want to talk about a biconditional statement. That's your if and only if statement. So the original statement and its converse must both be true. So remember, the converse of a statement switches the hypothesis and the conclusion. So if it's raining, then it's cloudy. The converse is if it's cloudy, then it is raining. Just remember, if you want to write a statement as a true biconditional, if and only if statement, the original statement and the converse both have to be true. And that will help you with numbers 4 and 5.